Good morning, everybody. How are you? I hope we are all in a good health. The honorable judges and all participants. First of all, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Luh Dian Antari. You can call me Dian. I'm from SMK Werdhi Sila Kumara. First of all, I thank God for giving us grace, so that we can compete here in this fine and joyful speech contest. Ladies and gentlemen, on this auspicious occasion, it is such a very great opportunity for me to be in front of you to deliver my speech entitled The Importance of a Healthy Lifestyle in the Pandemic Season. Ladies and gentlemen, without us knowing it, for a most we all rarely see each other, because this earth experiencing deep sadness. As we know, the sorrow experienced by this earth is very serious. Well, everyone, the problem experienced by this earth is COVID-19, or better known as coronavirus. Coronavirus is a virus that attacks the human respiratory system, which makes it difficult for humans to breathe. This virus is a very dangerous for all of us, and we must avoid it. Ladies and gentlemen, this coronavirus has spread throughout in the world, not only in China, but even in Indonesia, to be precise in the province of Bali. For Balinese, this is very detrimental to all of us. Why is that? Yes, that's right. As we all know, Bali is the most famous tourist attraction in the world. Therefore, the economy in Bali depends on tourists and tourist objects in Bali. In addition, there are no tourists visiting to Bali because of COVID-19. That what caused the economy in Bali to decline drastically. Ladies and gentlemen, as I said earlier, that we need to avoid this coronavirus. Well, here I will tell you how we can avoid this virus so that our body stay healthy. Well, so the main way we have to is a healthy lifestyle. Why is that? If our immunity is healthy and strong, it will be difficult for the virus to enter our body. Other ways as follow. The first, use a mask when traveling, because wearing a mask can inhibit transmission. The second, wash your hands regularly and use a hand sanitizer so that our hands are protected for germs. The third, exercise regularly, because can it strengthen the body. The fourth, don't consume alcohol, because will make your body weak. And the last, healthy food, so that our body can meet nutritional intake. Ladies and gentlemen, the importance of a healthy lifestyle depends on ourselves. If our immunity is healthy and immune, it will be difficult for the virus to enter the body. If we love our body, It means we love the close people. In addition, if we adopt during this pandemic, your family and you will be free from world virus. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all my speech. Hopefully this will be useful and message from me. Stay happy, stay positive, stay healthy, keep smiling, and stay at home. Finally, I say thank you and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.